Connected Hub is Zest4's reseller end customer portal, designed to give your customers 24/7 access to carry out bars, unbars, SIM changes and the ability to check unrated usage. Here at Zest4, we're always looking at ways to make it simpler to do business with us, and we're always listening to your suggestions for improvements. As a result, we are releasing a suite of requested changes on Tuesday, the 9th of March 2021. This is a short instructional video to introduce you to these changes. Many of you have asked to be able to add your branding to the Connected Hub. You can now do this by uploading your logo and details into the Zest4 customer portal. At reseller level, so this is before you click through on the blue button, you have an option in your profile menu called My Connected Hub. In this screen, you can update the email that's used for your customer Get Help messages, and now you can also add in some extra details to make the Get Help screen more useful for your customers. And you can also upload your logo here. The required logo format and dimensions are shown here for your reference. Save your changes here, and your logo now displays in the screen. You can also delete it here and make any changes to these fields at any time. When your customer next logs into the Connected Hub, they will see your logo displayed, and when they choose Get Help, they will see the extra details in the screen. Please note you don't need to have these extra details, you just simply leave them blank when setting up your logo. It is now possible to add bar permissions for individual bars. Previously, you were only able to add user permissions to add or remove all bars. In your main customer portal under Access Groups, you will now see every bar listed individually, and you can give permissions accordingly to each. When you create a new group, clicking to say you want to give the permission to add bars changes the slider to all of them to yes. Similarly for remove bars. If you want to take the permission away, they just disappear in the screen. You can then choose any individual bars that you don't want to give permission to. For example, like this. We'll go back to my original group. And you can see here that I have not given permission for these users to add some bars, including the O2 International and Premium Call Bar. Likewise, I've not given them permission to remove certain bars, including the UK to Ireland Call Bar. We can see these permissions reflected in the Connected Hub. You can see that this number has got the O2 International and Premium Call Bar set to off, but because I haven't given the user permission to add this bar, it's greyed out and they're unable to change it. Other bars do have the permission to be added, so the slider can be changed to on. In the Remove Bar section, you can see that these two bars are both on. But because the permission has not been given to lift the UK to Ireland bar, that's greyed out. The other bar can be changed to off. The rest of the functionality is exactly the same, simply make the changes as requested and click to apply the changes. The front page of the Connected Hub has been updated to show the SIM number and network. You can search on these. And you can download into CSV. The same changes have also been made to the unbilled page of your main customer portal. The name shown in the Connected Hub comes straight from our billing system, so this name is useful to you as the reseller when managing your billing with Zest4, but it may not mean anything to the customer. Therefore, we have introduced a hub name. This name is shown on the Connected Hub only, and any changes made will only take place on the Connected Hub. If no hub name is given, the field will be blank. The customer can change the hub name in two ways. Firstly, by clicking on the eye, and change here by clicking on Edit. Confirm with the tick. This will update the hub name throughout the Connected Hub. Alternatively, the hub name can be changed from the profile menu. Here you can search, you can see existing billing system usernames and the hub names. You can also change from here by clicking on the edit and confirm with the tick. Any hub name changes can then be seen as a ticket for the customer user and for the reseller. The customer can see their changes in My Tickets. And as a reseller, you can see the same changes in your Access Group Ticket Report. So just to confirm, that's Report Generator and Access Group Tickets. Resellers with larger customers using the Connected Hub have asked to be able to group together services so that they can be viewed as a group. This functionality is similar to reporting groups in the main customer portal. In the Connected Hub, we call it service groups. Access the service group menu via the profile icon. To add a new group, simply add new. Give the group a name and description. And then you can choose the services to be added to the group. You can select them in the screen. You can search for the number using the number or the name. So that can be the billing system username or it can be the hub name. So we'll search for Nicola and add it. And then you can also add services from the comma separated list, which is the same functionality that you have throughout other screens in the main customer portal. So we're going to add new. My service group have now got 2 services in. You can click on the eye to view them and you can edit the group from here. You can also delete it. This service group will now be available to select in the front screen in the filter. Select your service group here, and then you'll see that the view on the page has changed to only show the information for the numbers in the service group. The unbilled usage also changes to only show the totals for the numbers in that service group only. You can easily remove the service group, and it goes back to showing the information for all the numbers. You can make as many service groups as required, there's no limit, and a number can belong to as many service groups as you like. The final change is on your main customer portal where we have provided a disconnection report. In Report Generator and Disconnection Detail Report. Simply add the required date range and run the report. The results can be downloaded into CSV. We hope you find these changes useful for you and your customers. If you are not yet a Connected Hub partner and wish to become one, please raise a ticket on the Zest4 customer portal or contact our onboarding team at onboarding@zest4.com. Don't forget to send us any feedback or suggestions for any of our portals. You can raise a ticket or email us on suggestions@zest4.com. We're always here to listen to your requests and we consider all the suggestions we receive. If we can make a change to make doing business with us easier, then we will. Make sure you check out our other videos on the Zest4 YouTube channel and thanks for watching.